What's inside my travel bag? The first thing, the most important for me on my travel bag is my accessory. My accessory is a 50% my life electronic. As you see, all cable, Apple Pencil, cable internet. You can see Apple Watch. You can see my charger, SanDisk hard drive, and I got some space too to put my Apple Watch band. Okay, this is my Apple Watch band. I can put everything inside my Apple Watch band, and also too I can put my remote control. We talk about later. Second thing I will never forget, my Apple TV. At the hotel, I never watch TV cable at the hotel. I bring my own Apple TV to watch my show, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube. This is my second thing. My iPad, I got two iPad. Reason I got two iPad, this iPad is for work. When I make my video, when I travel. And this one is small iPad. I use this on the airplane. Yes, my speaker too. This is a JBL speaker. I don't want to talk about this one. Later on, we talk about this one. Sony camera to make video and Sony camera. I got a stick, selfie stick to take a picture. I got a gimbal, DJI gimbal for vlog. My passport. This is DJI microphone. I use the DJI microphone for great quality sound. AirPod Max. I use AirPod Max. And Apple Watch and AirPod. This is the second phone. I use the second phone in case my first phone don't have power. I use this one. My laptop. This is all accessory I use when I travel on my travel bag. I'm gonna set up my travel bag and you can see how I set up everything.
Just have to, we can use it from everybody. Small part of the body is really fast focus outside.